Hi, my dear students. Good morning, all of you. This is Baji sir, PGT. Now, this lesson belongs to plus one English subject supplementary lesson one. The name of the lesson, the title of the lesson, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. So if you look at the title of the lesson, you can understand the meaning of the lesson, the information given in the lesson. The summer of the beautiful white horse. So summer season, summer season. So all students are very happy because they are getting summer holidays. Holidays they wanted to enjoy by going to other places, by seeing movies, by watching movies, and by playing with their cousins, brothers and sisters, with the pet animals like dogs and some people, horses and some other animals. So here also in summer season, two boys, beautiful white horse with a beautiful white horse, they enjoyed their summer season. That's why the title is given The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. My dear students, here see beautiful, white, both are adjectives. White horse, beautiful horse. Beautiful horse which is in a white color. So beautiful is the quality, white is the color. When we are discussing any object, means animal, so qualifying words we have to keep before it. When we are writing adjectives, so many adjectives we can write. It is a stout, beautiful and white horse also we can write. First we have to write the quality, later only we have to write color. So white beautiful horse, we should not say beautiful white horse. First quality we have to say, after that only color we have to say. So beautiful white horse. So in the summer season, the beautiful white horse, with the beautiful white horse, the two boys Maurad and Aram enjoyed a lot. So the total information is given here. This lesson is written by William Saroyan. Now, my dear students, the important characters in this lesson are Maurad. A main important character is Maurad, who is 13 years old. Second character Aram, cousin of Maurad, 9 years old. He is a narrator. Narrator means the person who is explaining the story is a narrator. Now another character, John Bairu. He is the owner of this beautiful white horse. He is a farmer and he is a very good person. Now Uncle Khusro. Khosrow is the name of a person who is uncle of Aram and Maurad. So the main characters are Maurad, Aram, John Bairu, Uncle Khusro. The important character is Maurad. How Maurad dealt with the horse. The information is given in this poem. So here, first come to the point. Maurad and Aram, these two persons belong, these two people are Armenians. We are Indians. Like that. They are Armenian people and they belong to Garog-Lanian tribe. Garog-Lanian tribe. Armenian people, they belong to Garog-Lanian tribe. So here, now Aram remembered, recollected what happened previously, that story he was explaining to us. So he is the narrator. Now the important character is Maurad. So once upon a time, so Maurad and Aram, both are cousins. They belong to Armenian tribe, and here Armenian people and Garog-Lanian tribe. They were very much interested in horse riding. They want to ride the horse. That is their motto. They longed for means very much interested in riding the horse. But their family members, their families are very poor. Their parents are very poor. They are too poor to buy the horse. Actually, they are not able to get the money with which they can feed their bellies every day 2 or 3 times by buying the food required for them. So they are not able to earn the money which is enough to buy their day-to-day food, every day's food. Such a type of people, how can they buy the horse, costly horse? Horse is very costly. So here, Maurad and Aram, these two cousins belong to a family who are very poor. They are not able to earn money for their livelihood. Such type of people can't buy the horse. But one day, Maurad came to Aram's house on the back of the horse. By riding the horse, one day Maurad came to Aram's house and he knocked at the window. Knocked means tapped, made sound on the window of Aram. Aram was sleeping. Early morning, 4 o'clock, he came to Aram's house. Aram opened the window and he was shocked by seeing Maurad on the back of the horse because they are very poor people. They are too poor to fill their belly with food. Such type of people, how can they buy the horse? He was not able to believe Maurad on the horse. Now Maurad said that, hey Aram, I am Maurad. What the vehicle on which I came here is a horse. If you are interested, you come out immediately, you will have a ride. Actually, Maurad got that horse 1 month ago and he took a ride. As he knew, Aram was very much interested in horse riding to offer horse riding to Aram. He came to Aram house. Maurad came to Aram's house. So Aram got down and both were on the horse. And at that time, they are living countryside near the village. There, roads and vineyards and orchards. Orchard means fruit, that the trees which are yielding fruits. Orchards are there. Vineyards are there. Vineyards means the plantation of the wine plants. So vineyards are there. So at that time here, whenever they got on the horse is riding, horse is running. By standing on its hind legs, it just started running across the field. So after running for some time, Aram asked Maurad, how did you get the horse? Did you steal the horse? Because Aram knew very clearly they are too poor to buy the horse. So Maurad did not say anything about horse. So that means Aram understood that Maurad did not want to give answer. For that he understood that. He thought that Maurad might have stolen the horse. Might have means doubtful expression. Because they are well known for their honesty and integrity. Armenian people, though they are poor, they don't want to steal anything from others. They did not take advantage of others. They are very strict, honest. They don't want to quarrel with others. They don't want to steal. To such type of families they belong. That's why Aram was not able to believe that Maurad stole the horse. So after some time, Maurad asked Aram, you get down. Asked Aram to get down from the horse. He wanted to take a ride alone. At that time, Maurad gave instructions to the horse for riding. It listened to him. He took a nice riding and he came. Total his shirt became wet with the sweat of the riding. Then Aram previously asked Maurad, when Maurad asked Aram to get down from the horse, then Aram asked Maurad, he should give chance to him after some time to ride alone on the horse. So now Maurad came and offered the horse to Aram to ride alone on the horse. Now when Aram was on the horse, Aram got so much fear. Aram is 9 years old. He is 13 years old. Aram is a very intelligent person. He is well known for his craziness, and he seems to be strange, different characteristics he has. Now, Aram, whenever he was on the horse, it did not follow the instructions of the horse, and it stood on its hind legs and started running. Instead of running across the field, it started running towards the vineyards, and it jumped over the 9 vineyards before Aram fell. So, horse did not follow the instruction of Aram. My dear students, this is the half of the information we finished. So, in next class, we are going to start. Okay, so remaining 2 characters we are going to discuss. Now, John Byro is a farmer. Actually, whose horse did Maurad steal? He stole John Byro's horse. Actually, here, Maurad was not able to control his interest towards riding of the horse, as he was very much interested in riding the horse, though he knew very clearly that stealing the horse is a sin or a crime, but he was not able to stop his interest. That's why he stole the horse of John Byro. So here, one character, Uncle Khusro. Uncle Khusro and Maurad both have similarities. That means the characters of 2 persons seem to be same only behavior. Uncle Khusro is also known for his craziness. Once he went to barber shop, there he wanted to get his hair cut. At the time, his son, Uncle Khusro's son, came to barber's shop and told his father, Khusro, that their house was on fire. But Uncle Khusro at the time, it is no harm, leave it. It is no harm, don't pay any attention to it. The barber said that it was your house which was on fire. Your son was saying, why could not you give any importance to stop the fire? Like that here, he questioned Uncle Khusro, but Uncle Khusro is a very short-tempered person. His characteristics are, he's a person with a big head full of hair, full of black hair. He had a long mustache and he sported. That means he gave much importance to his mustache and made it very big. Though his house is on horse, his father, his son told him, he did not give any importance. That's why he is called a strange person and he is a crazy person. So such type of crazy characters Maurad had. That's why Maurad was called. He is a direct descendant of Uncle Khusro. And your parents are also saying that you resembles your uncle. Means what? Your characters and your uncle characters are both the same. That's why sometimes your parents and your grandparents are saying that you seem to be like your uncle. In the same way here, all people called Maurad is a direct descendant of Uncle Khusro. This is the information, and next part of the lesson we are going to finish in the next class. Take care of you, my dear students, and go through the lesson. Try to get the gist of the lesson. Thank you, Anula.